What's going on, everyone? I know it's been a very long time since I actually uploaded something to this channel here, and today I'm going to be recording a vlog just for you guys who have asked me before on my social media pages that when's the next vlog. Here it is. So with that being said, as you guys may know, on my Instagram, on my TikTok, I purchased a 2024 Denali GMC Sierra. I've been doing a few things to it here and there. So this vlog is actually not about the red truck. The red truck, I don't have it here. I have it at another location, which I will be recording another vlog for that one. I know I always tell you guys that I'm gonna be recording updates, but trust me guys, I'm trying. I've just been really busy with work. So with that being said, today we are going to my boy Jesus' house to install some, I don't even know the name of it, the part number, but I will be putting it here down in the description, so that way if you guys want to do that to your 2024 Denali, you guys can do it too. With that being said, let's go over to his house and let's get it installed. All right, so those of you who do not follow me on my social media page and just on the YouTube, here's the new truck. I went and installed the 2022 or 23 older wheels, OEM wheels, and went with 35 nittos. The keys are turned a little bit in the front, so that way I'm able to turn full lock. We did have to trim a little bit of the plastic here, nothing major, and we are running 2-inch spacers from Shift Industries. Shifted Industries or Shift Industry, I'm not sure the name of it exactly. Also, another thing that I changed was this GMC emblem, which at nighttime it lights up, OEM as well from factory. And another thing that we have changed already are the floodlights. So when you open the door or when you remote start it, it has a GMC on the bottom. Obviously you can't see it right now because there's light out here, but this is what we are going to be changing. Sorry, my truck is dirty. I do use it for work, but we will be changing this right here to a light up one. All right, so basically all I seen him remove was the plastics here, or the plastics right here, and there's some wires here that he's gonna tap into right there, and then just take off the plastics from the center console and run the wire through. All right, so as you can see, it's this wire here, the white one, and it's kind of hard to tell where he connected to, where he spliced it to, but see if I can get it for you guys. There you go. So if I'm not mistaken, that's that wire there that he ran to, because it does go towards over here, so I'm sure, pretty most positive it's that wire there. Let's just remove this right here, run that wire. As you can see, it goes through underneath there, the carpet, through the center console. Remove this, remove all the panels on the other side, and yeah, check it out. All right, so the GMC emblem is on, and the floodlights too say GMC. There's this side, and then there's that side too. I think the next things that I will be removing are going to be the fender flares. I'm not a big fan of the black ones, so I'm going to go ahead and order them color match, and then I'm going to go ahead and get the boost auto lights that go in the fenders. And then also, while I'm at it, I'll order the mirror sequential lights and the cab lights, all LED white, and remove this color match. I'm still debating if to color match the whole thing, because I do use this truck for work, so I don't want to go ahead and let it, you know, peel in the future. This right here too, I don't want to color match it and then I step on it, or the guy step on it, and you know, it starts peeling. So I'm still debating if to go ahead and lift this truck, you know, 7 to 8, or if just to do a 4-inch lift with 37s graps. We'll see what I end up doing. It probably won't be till springtime, because last year on my other L5P, if you guys remember, I did the 5-inch lift from zone, but I ended up doing it almost when the winter was here, and for some reason the powder coat started, you know, to fade or chip or started to rust out, and I don't want to go through this process the same on this truck. So yeah, stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and follow my Instagram and my TikTok. I post more there. I'm gonna start posting more here on the YouTube too. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.